Aloha and welcome. Let's go and try and get Jupyter Notebook to run on your Anaconda Navigator. Now, make sure you have Anaconda Navigator and R installed, right? Okay, and to do it, yeah, it's a two-step process. So I'm going to go and minimize, and then I'm going to open up my Anaconda. Now, to do it is you have to go into Jupyter Lab. Now, your Jupyter Lab and your Jupyter Notebook may not have a couple of things because I've already installed it already, right? I'm already installed it. And even my Jupyter Notebook, I have the R installed in here as well. So, if I did a new, I can see R, yeah? Your system may not already have it on the Mac. So I'm gonna launch Jupyter Lab, yeah? Two-step process, launch. Yeah. And the first step is that you have to go ahead and, you have to go in there and you have to access a terminal in Jupyter Lab. Okay, what's going on over here now? Okay, there you go. So what to do then? I got a couple of things again because I already installed it. Yeah. So what you do is you go File and New Terminal, right? And here you have to type in this command at the prompt. Conda install -C Anaconda Jupyter client. Okay. Now it's going to take a little bit of time. Mine's going to be fast because I've already done it, but you're going to have to type a yes, and you're going to have to find a distro, which means pick something that can download the file from. I picked a couple of, I picked a US one, USA, something in the US. So once that's done, then I want you to open up another terminal, right? And this one, you have to go and navigate to where your R.exe file is located, all right? So, if I did a list over here and I enter, it shows me all my folders that I have that's viewable. If I do a list-A, it shows me all the folders that are viewable as well as those that's hidden, the dots over here. Now, my R was located in the op folder. So it's an OPT is a system folder. So I just sash this way. And then if I did a list over, there's the R. Now, don't ask me why I have to do it this way. I have to take in the prompt, I have to type in R and run it here, as opposed to just going to applications running R. Yeah. I'm not quite sure why that is, but it only works this way. So I hit the R, I get my Chevron prompt, and then I have to type in 3 commands, okay? And the first one is just install .packages open paren dev tools. Okay, it's going to take a time. It's going to ask for a CRAN again. So if you get a CRAN, if errors, like I picked something for the USA, it doesn't matter. But I picked something in the US. I typed in 68 Oregon. Yeah, and then it takes a little bit of time because DevTools is like a set of R tools, and it's quite extensive actually. Now mine is faster because I've already done it, right? And then the second command you type in is after that one you have to install. So I'm going to up arrow, and I'm just going to type in IR capital I capital R kernel. Okay, IR kernel, enter. Now, that one's fast, right? And then here's the test now. The big test is this. You type in IR kernel, : install spec. Now, if nothing happens, no error message here, we did it correctly. We did it correctly. Okay, so let's, and the way you test that, and by the way, once you get that, you can go to the launcher and run it here if you wanted to. So this is an R script. So if I did something just to test it, just to test it out like this, and I said ggplot2 like this, right? And I went to run it Okay, oh, sorry, GG install, I didn't spell it correctly. Install packages, GG2, there you go. So, it did it okay, yeah. And then, just to test it, right, I'm just testing it out. And then GG plot 2. And then again, it should run okay. You have no errors. Okay, so, same thing with, I'm going to go and minimize here. The same thing now when I do that, now I can launch my Jupyter notebook here and I should be able to do the same thing, right? So I do a new R, yeah, new R over there. Open her up. The R is trusted. Yeah, R is trusted, R up here. And I do the same thing, right? Install back just to test it out, yeah? I can install ggplot2. And then same thing, just to test it out. Library. Yeah, then I'm testing it this way because, if it's able to download the packages, then, you know that you're doing okay. Yeah. So, it was good. Everything looks good, right? So that's how you do it on your Mac with that using Anaconda and R.